Want me, hoes want me, bitches want me. Come to my stable and play horsey. Sit on me, baby, I'm like a Porsche. I do this thing to make you love me. Playing hard to get you, call me hubby. All your friends be like that, bitches love me. Walk in the kitchen, interrupt your cooking. Hands on your pussy, burn on your biscuits. Going on the road, starting to miss it. All on the wall, knocking down pictures. I got a back, big.
Yo, fire emojis in the chat if you like the song.
We can go vacation. We can skip town, live on the lake. So what about him? He a mistake. Life could be great, 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 great. What do you say? Yeah, life could be great.
Starting off the night real good tonight. That was a banger, bro. That was a banger. That She Telling Me Tap In by Scream Capone, man. An independent hip-hop artist and CEO of Dangerous Minds Enterprise, LLC. Make sure y'all tap in with these artists.